Hello, this video will show you how to use multi-chart queries to create an alarm rule and send notifications. LTS helps you monitor your service status in real time. You can create log alarm rules to trigger alarms based on specific criteria and view alarm details in the alarm list. You can also configure alarm notification rules to receive alerts via channels like SMS or email. This helps you handle alarms promptly. When configuring alarm rules, you can leverage query results from multiple charts, that is, query conditions. This allows you to use one chart's data to trigger an alarm, while including the results of other charts in alarm notifications. The procedure is as follows. First, create a message template. This template sets a fixed format for your alarm notifications. When an alarm is triggered, the system populates the template's variables with content from your alarm rules. Next, create an alarm notification rule to link an SMN topic to the message template. When an alarm is triggered, the system sends an email notification using the specified message template. Then, create an alarm rule. Here, you'll define the conditions that trigger alarms, including the query condition, check rule, query frequency, notification frequency, and notification channel. Finally, view the received notifications. Let's walk through a practical example of a multi-chart query alarm rule. Assume that you want to monitor logs whose level is error and trigger a critical alarm if 10 error logs are generated within 5 minutes. When this condition is met, an email notification should be sent. It should contain the query results of the error logs, including the log level, count, and error message. To achieve this, create an alarm rule with 2 charts. The first chart, named Chart 0, counts the number of error logs. The result is used to define the check rule's condition expression. The second chart, named Chart 1, queries error log details, including the log level, count, and error message. Its results will be included in the alarm notification email body. Now let's walk through the detailed steps. Log into the LTS console. In the navigation pane, choose Log Alarms. Click the Alarm Notification Rules tab, the Message Templates tab, and Create. On the displayed page, set the parameters to create a message template. Enter multi-chart query test for template name. English is selected by default for message header. Select email as the notification method. In the topic box, enter a custom email subject or use variables to set an email subject. In this tutorial, enter a subject with variables. The region name variable indicates the region where the error occurred, and the starts at variable indicates the time when the error occurred. In the body box, enter statements that will include key information in the email body. For this example, we'll include the log group and stream names. The query statement. The query URL to link to the specified log stream details page. And the query results from Chart 1. Click OK. The message template is created. Then, switch to the Alarm Notification Rules tab and click Create. On the displayed page, enter a notification rule name in the notification rule box. Retain the default value for Enterprise Project. Select an SMN topic, for example, LTS test. If no desired topic is available, click Create Topic. For message templates, select multi-chart query test, the message template you just created. Click OK. The alarm notification rule is created. Next, let's create an alarm rule. Click the Alarm Rules tab and click Create. On the displayed page, enter error log alarm for rule name. Retain the default value for Enterprise Project. Enter a description for this rule, for example, reports an alarm with log details if more than 10 error logs are generated within 5 minutes. Select Search Analysis as the statistics type. Set query condition, that is, query chart. Here, we'll add 2 charts. Chart 0 counts the number of logs whose log level is error. Its query result is used to define the check rules condition expression. Select a log group and a log stream to which logs are properly reported. Retain the default setting for query time range. Enter a query statement and click Preview to check its query result. Click Add to add the second chart, that is, Chart 1. This chart queries details of the error logs, including the log level, number, and message. The results from this chart will be included in the alarm notification email body. Select a log group and a log stream to which logs are properly reported. Retain the default setting for query time range. Enter a query statement and click Preview to check its query result. Configure a check rule. An alarm is generated when the specified condition expression returns true. For example, 0. Error underline count indicates the error underline count field in the query statement from Chart 0. Chart 1 is used to query the level, number, and message of error logs. The corresponding variables have been added to the message template body and are not used for alarm check rules. Query frequency indicates the detection interval of this alarm rule. It defaults to 1 minute. Retain the default values for alarm restored when, notify when, and frequency. Keep alarm notification rule enabled and select the notification rule you created earlier. Click OK. The alarm rule is created. When 10 error logs are reported to LTS within 5 minutes, an email notification will be sent. The email body will contain the error log count from Chart 0 and the error log details from Chart 1. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.